watch another amazing video that I have for you. So today we're gonna get super inspired by another wig from Sapphire Wigs right here. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. I am really excited to showcase this wig from Sapphire Wigs, as I've honestly had my eye on this style wig, and also this wig actually comes in a variety of colors, which I absolutely love. So I have recently done a lot of kind of like that dirty blonde, ashy blonde, whatnot wig, something a little bit more neutral, which is really fun. Brown, which really this could definitely be like a very dark blonde. Very dark blonde, or also of course a very light brown. And what I absolutely love about it is you can see, first of all, are these delicious, like fun curls right here, this body wave. My favorite type of wig is actually a wig that has a little bit of body or kind of wave to it, because I feel like these styles of wigs tangle a lot less than any straight wig. Another fave of mine is that you can't really tell, but like each strand is like a different color tone, which I absolutely love. It just makes it look even more natural than a wig that's all the same color strand. As for the actual root of this wig, it says it's a number 8, not an 8. I'd say it's probably like a 6 or so, maybe a 7. An 8 seems pretty light, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. It's a kind of like a medium to light colored brown root, and it just kind of fades into this really, really pretty color. It doesn't say the length of it, but I would gather it's at 24 inches. Let's look at the wig construction really quickly. So this does have light to medium colored lace right here. It does have your standard 2.5 inch parting, which is pretty typical for an Amazon wig. And then as well with the combs. So it has 2 combs right here in the side and also 1 comb right here in the middle. This does have a medium cap. So if you require a large head friendly wig, this would work for you absolutely. All right, so let's put this girl on. So this wig does come with 2 wig caps. So as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go. But I'll be using a wig cap in nude that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for that. I got a 10 pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. So I put my wigs on front to back. And wow, look at this. Just literally flipping it on already looks amazing. So let's take a look at the hairline really quickly. Of course, this isn't bad. Actually, I feel like the sides are probably maybe plucked a little bit more than your average Amazon wig. It seems that way. But of course, plucking her more would be best for your best wig life ever, including thinning out the parting as well would be best. All right, so let's cut off this lace and see what she's all about. Okay, here she is. Now let's take my wig brush and let's just brush her out just softly. Wow, look at that, all softly brushed out. She looks like a Victoria's Secret kind of wig. And from brushing her out, she has like very light shedding. Of course, this may seem like a lot just because the hairs are so long. All right, so let me stand up so you can see where she lands. Oh, you know what? Maybe she is 24 inches if you straighten her. So this is probably landing at 22 inches, which honestly is perfect. I do feel like 24 inches is just a tad too long for me. I kind of feel like the 22 or 20 inches like a super sweet spot for me. All right, so let's play with the parting and see what kind of different looks a single wig can give. So of course, down the center is perfect. I really love it. I would wear it like this. Now let's shift it to my left eyebrow, which is where I usually part my hair. Okay, so this is all right. I don't know if I really like it on this side. I feel like it's too flat on my face. Of course, definitely workable if you just take a heating product and maybe just change this curl pattern a little bit. This is heat safe as well. I'd gather around like 300, 320-ish degrees. All right, so let's change it to the right parting. Okay, I think I like this side a little bit more, even though I kind of feel like I really like it down the middle. I feel like this is, down the middle is probably where she does her best looks. But this is definitely a doable look. It doesn't feel like it's so much in my face right here. But let's just put her down the middle again. Okay, yeah, I definitely prefer her down the center. I really love the curl pattern on this. Of course, I love the multi-dimensional strands. Of course, this wig is heat resistant, so definitely use heat if you want, of course, modify the curls or just make it your own personal style. So this wig is from Sapphire Wigs, of course. I am so excited that I finally have this wig style, as I kept looking at it with all the fun colors and of course all of the regular colors as well. So let me know if you have this wig or if you have this wig in another color. I would seriously love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, life is short, wear a wig and have fun. And it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel amazing in this amazing blonde, ombre, wavy wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you